dark, glorious days when the only thing to read was bad news. None of those books about bravery or adventure, when I almost succeeded in stealing all of those Super Friends inspiring, wonderful books that taught them all they needed to know to defeat evil, and replace them with nothing but bad news. And I would have succeeded too, if it wasn't for those meddling kids.
Jeepers! Jinkies!
Dang, I still don't have a catchphrase.
No, not those meddling kids. Those meddling kids.
When you walked in, so shame on me now. Flew me to places I've never been. Till you put me down, oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Flew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold, hard ground.
To the Batmobile. Let's go. Atomic batteries to power. Turbines to speed.
Roger. Ready to move out.
Devious plans to turn the Super Friends evil by stealing all the good books would have worked too, if not for those pesky kids. No, not those kids. Those kids.